Okay, to complete today's performance task from a mobile device, you want to make sure you have the Google Slides app, which is the one right here in the bottom right, um, because that's how you're going to open up the assignment. And hopefully, you've already done that if you're at this point already. Okay, the easiest thing to do is to turn your phone sideways to make sure that you have as much space as possible to work with. And then we are on the third slide. So first task says to choose 3 rocks to include in the display. So I'm going to pick whatever 3 rocks I want and put one in each of these boxes. So I'm just going to click on one and drag it over with my finger. So I click this one. All I have to do is drag it just like this. Okay, next, for step 2, it wants you to add a text box to describe the rocks by size, color, and texture. So you will click on this plus sign in the top right corner and select the second option, which says text. And it adds a text box for you that you can then move around the screen, and you can change the size of that as well. So here you would just type on your keyboard size, color, and make sure you add all your descriptions here as well. As soon as you're done with your text box, just click anywhere outside of it. Okay, and the last thing is to type to explain how the rocks are alike and different at the bottom of the slide. So if I click in this text box down here, I should be able to delete where it says type answer here and go ahead and type in my answer. Okay, the last task is to type in to explain how the rocks are alike and different at the bottom of the screen. So you see there's already a sentence starter here for me. So all I need to do is click in this box and then delete where it says type answer here and type my response. So I can change the size if I want to make it easier to type. Click in the box and delete that part right there and type in my answer. Okay, and click outside of the box to exit. That's all there is to it. Good luck. I'm sure you're going to do fantastic on your task today.